Hi there, it's Professor Monty, and today we're talking about the addition principle. Basically, the addition principle says for any real numbers, a, b, and c, if a equals b, then a plus c equals b plus c. In other words, we can add or subtract, because remember subtraction is addition to the opposite. So we can add the same thing to both sides of the equal sign. So think about an equation as a balance scale. If we add 2 pounds to both sides and they start in balance, you add 2 pounds to both sides, they're both still going to be in balance. If you take off a pound from each side, they're still going to be in balance. Okay, so that's the idea of the addition principle. Let's look at a couple examples. So I've got x minus 4 rather equals 3. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to use the addition principle. I'm going to add 4 here because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get the x by itself. I want to get rid of the minus 4. I do the opposite, which is add 4. And I can do that as long as I add 4 to the other side of the equal sign too. You can't add 2 4s to the same side. You have to add one to the left side of the equals and the other one to the right side of the equals. But negative 4 plus 4 is 0. We're just going to ignore that because x plus 0 is just x. So those cancel out. I just get x. And these I just add down. 3 plus 4 is 7. And that's my answer. 7 is the solution to the equation. We can check by plugging it back in for the variable. 7 minus 4 is 3. We know that's true, so we know 7 is the solution. Okay, a couple more quick examples. So let's look at the x plus 6 equals 1. This time we're adding 6 to the x. I want to do the opposite. I want to get rid of that plus 6. Well, the opposite of a plus 6 is a minus 6. So as long as I do it to the left side, I just have to do it to the right side as well. And then it'll be in balance. So the plus 6 and the minus 6, again, those cancel out. I just get the x. And then 1 minus 6, negative 5. And again, I can check. Negative 5 plus 6 is in fact 1. I know it is a solution. I know that's the right answer. Equations are nice because we can check them to make sure we have the right answer. It doesn't matter where x is in the equation. And this time I put it on the right side of the equation, but I do the same thing. Here I'm adding 11 to it. Well, again, the opposite of adding 11 would be subtracting 11. And I can do that to the right side as long as I do the same thing to the left side. The 11s cancel out. I just get x. 15 minus 11 is 4. I'm perfectly happy in my class if you leave the answer that way. Some instructors like you to have the x on the left side. If so, just flip it around. If 4 is the same as x, that means x is the same as 4. Either way that you want to write the answer is fine, but that's the idea of the addition principle. We'll use this as we go further and further into algebra. This is our first step into really learning and using algebra to solve equations.